I'm going to show you a quick and inexpensive way to create a water pump called the Rus Pump. The main component of the Rus pipe are two pieces of PVC pipe, one piece of 2-inch pipe, and one piece of 1.5-inch pipe. These valves are made using hardwood and rubber pieces cut from a tire. We begin by cutting a small piece of PVC from the 2-inch pipe. This small piece of pipe will give us a guideline to begin making the foot valve. Using the axe, we slowly shave the sides of the hardwood, being careful that we don't cut it too small. The hardwood must fit snug into the PVC pipe in order to pump water effectively. We finish the sides of the hardwood with a file or sandpaper. Next, we drill a hole into the hardwood. The hole is then covered with a small piece of rubber that we cut from an old tire. The rubber must have a clean, smooth surface so that it seals completely. The foot valve is nearly complete. The hardwood should be slightly larger than the 2-inch PVC pipe. In order to make it fit, we must heat up the PVC pipe. When the PVC begins to soften, the foot valve can be inserted into the PVC pipe. Make sure the valve sides go into the pipe first. The first component of the Rus pump is now complete. The next step is to create the plunger that will be inserted into the 1.5-inch pipe. Using a small piece of the 1.5-inch pipe, we create our guideline on a second piece of hardwood. The plunger is different from the foot valve. We will leave a lip on one end that will not enter the PVC pipe. To accomplish this, we'll make a cut around the perimeter of the hardwood to about the depth of the inner guideline. Next, we shave the sides of the hardwood. We must be careful not to cut into our inner guideline, as well as making sure that we do not cut off the lip of the plunger. Using a file and sandpaper, we slowly work the perimeter of the plunger until it is only slightly larger than the 1.5-inch pipe. The plunger also needs a one-way valve, so we drill a hole through the middle and nail a rubber piece of tire to the narrow end. We then heat up the 1.5-inch PVC pipe and insert the narrow end of the plunger into the pipe. The final step is to fit the smaller pipe with the plunger into the larger pipe with the foot valve. We slowly file down the lip of the plunger until it fits into the larger pipe. The plunger needs to fit tight, but not so tight that it can't move up and down smoothly. Once the plunger has been sized right, the Rus pump is ready to get to work. The Rus pump is very versatile and can be modified in numerous ways. With a little creativity, the Rus pump can be a very valuable tool in your water delivery systems.